Alright, so back at our videos with our new Unit 3 is homework and remembering questions 1 and 2. Number 1 has a little story problem here with some lengths of different distances swam. It says Miguel swam 6 lengths of the pool. Polan swam 3 times as far as Miguel. Lionel swam 1/3 as far as Miguel. So with that information, we need to answer number 1 and 2. Number 1 says, how many lengths did Polan swim? Well, Polan, if we look right here, swam 3 times as far as Miguel. While Miguel swam 6 lengths of the pool. So we know Polan, I'm going to represent that with the letter P. Polan must equal whatever Miguel is times 3, because it's 3 times as far. That will give us the distance for Polan. So if we know Miguel swam 6 lengths, we can put a 6 in for that M. So we have 6 times 3, which will give us Polan's distance. So number 1, how many lengths did Polan swim? 18. And here's the equation. 6 times 3 equals 18, so you write that on the second line. Now looking at that same problem, I see that there's a second question there. Oh, nope, that's just the equation, so you're good. This is your equation. That's just your equation. But there is a number 2, and we need to find out how many lengths did Lionel swim. How many lengths did Lionel swim? Well, we know here it says Lionel swam 1/3 as far as Miguel. So 1/3 as far as Miguel. So Miguel is 6 and Lionel is 1/3 the distance of 6. So to find that, we think of the word of, 1/3 of 6, and as we talked about in class, we know that means multiplication. The word of can be substituted for a multiplication symbol. So thinking of variables here, we can say Lionel, equals Miguel times 1/3. So if we substitute for the M, it would be 6 of 1/3, or 6 times 1/3. I'm running out of space, which equals 2. So this bottom line, or this bottom problem here, is your equation, and 2 is your answer. So it doesn't necessarily ask you for the variables, the letters that I have used, but we talked about in class using those, and it could help you to understand how to write your equations and also find your product or your answer. Since we are using multiplication, our answer is called a product. So go through this homework, do your very best. We'll look at some more of this stuff throughout the week. And also remember to do your remembering side, which is kind of a review of what we've learned this year so far. Have a great night.